Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Do you have a sweet tooth and you're always on the lookout for the best desserts? Then our recipe today will leave you absolutely delighted. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe to turn everyday ingredients into a dessert that's bound to become the crown jewel of your dining table. We'll share tips and tricks to achieve a flawless wobble, that crystal clear caramel layer, and that perfectly velvety custard texture that makes this dessert a global favorite. Our recipe for today is delicious creme caramel, also called caramel custard. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. You will need 1 liter of full cream milk, 8 eggs, 8 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 pinch of salt, 8-inch baking tray or glass bowl, 6 tablespoons of sugar to make the caramel. Step 2. Preparing the caramel. On low heat, in a wide open, heavy bottom pan, add 6 tablespoons of sugar. Do not add any water. Do not stir as the sugar will stick to the sides of the pan and burn. Once the sugar starts melting, just swirl the pan. Cook until the sugar melts and turns golden brown in color. Keep swirling the pan occasionally until the sugar melts completely. Once it is amber or golden brown in color, take it off the heat immediately, else it will burn and taste bitter. Immediately pour the caramel in the baking pan or glass bowl. The caramel will turn 1 or 2 shades darker even after it is off the fire. Spread the caramel evenly around the base. If the caramel doesn't spread evenly, keep this bowl on very low heat and swirl it around. Once the caramel has evenly spread around the bowl, keep the bowl aside and let it cool down for 15 minutes. Step 3. Preparing the milk mixture. Boil the full cream milk in a heavy bottom pan. Once the milk starts to get warm, add 8 tablespoons of sugar. Add 1 pinch of salt. Stir everything nicely. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Stir everything nicely. Stir until the sugar dissolves completely. Check for sweetness and add sugar if required. Once the milk starts to rise, put the heat off and set the milk aside to cool. Milk mixture is ready. Step 4. Preparing the egg mixture. Break 1 egg at a time in a bowl. Then add it in the mixing bowl. This will help you easily remove the eggshells that mistakenly fall with the egg. It will also prevent a bad egg from falling into the entire mixture. Once all the eggs are added, whisk the eggs gently.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Egg mixture is ready. Step 5. Preparing the custard mixture. In a large mixing bowl, add the egg mixture. Add the warm milk mixture slowly into the egg mixture. Mix it gently while pouring. The milk mixture needs to be warm, not hot. Custard mixture is ready. Use a strainer to pour the custard mixture into the glass bowl. This will help you discard any lumps that are present in the custard mixture. Creme caramel mixture is ready to be baked. Step 6. Baking the creme caramel. I have placed the baking tray on a heavy bottom cast iron pan with iron handles to make it easy to hold while moving it to the oven. In a baking tray or bowl, fill hot water to cover quarter height of the baking tray or bowl. Place the creme caramel bowl in the baking tray or bowl with the hot water. We will be using the water bath method to bake this caramel. Bake it in the center of a preheated oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 30 minutes. This will entirely depend on your individual oven. You can also prepare this creme caramel using the steaming method. Check it after 20 minutes to ensure it doesn't burn. Then monitor it until it is ready. Once baked, remove the baking tray and place it on a stand. Insert a toothpick in the center. If it comes out clean, your creme caramel is ready. If it doesn't come out clean, bake it for some more time. Creme caramel after it is baked completely. First let it cool down to room temperature, then cover and refrigerate for 24 to 48 hours before serving. This will help you achieve the perfect texture while cutting. Step 7. Unmolding the creme caramel. After 24 to 48 hours, remove the creme caramel from the refrigerator. To unmold, run a knife carefully around the edge of the creme caramel. Cover the creme caramel with a plate, hold tightly and turn the dish upside down. Remove the bowl slowly and carefully as the caramel liquid may spill out. Delicious creme caramel is ready. A dessert where every spoonful is a blend of creamy custard topped with a rich amber-colored caramel that's been carefully crafted to perfection. Creme caramel is more than just a treat. It's a food for your soul.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Drizzle some caramel syrup on top and enjoy. You can now join our WhatsApp channel and get instant updates. The link is provided in the description box.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.